Thank you very much. My business name is Oyibo Too Much Favor. That's the favor of God
Wow.
in the business. Okay, I'm dealing with underwear business, any kind of underwear business, men, women, and children. That's what I deal with. Thank you.
Okay, sir, can you show us some of these items? Would you like to show some of
Okay.
them, maybe?
Okay, mostly I deal with quality things. I didn't deal with local quality. Like again, this is a Rupa. This one now is a Rupa boxers.
Okay.
As you can see it very well. It's a Rupa. This one is quality.
How much is it?
Okay, this one now is 7,000 naira by 3 in 1. It's a quality one.
Is that the wholesale price
Oh,
or retail price?
okay, that is a retail price. But if you want to buy it in a wholesale, we sell it to the rate of 5,800.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
Is there another item you want to show?
We have many. We have this one. As you can see it, this one is the condom boxers. This one is the condom boxer. This one is the quality ones. This one, if you want to get it by retail, you can get it the rate of 4,000 naira. But if you want to get it for the carton price, you can get it in our hand is 3,300 naira. Thank you.
Wow, that's nice.
This one is Turkey. It's singlet. It's Turkey product. As you can see, it is Muslim singlet. Is high quality in singlet. It's mostly I deal with wholesales. Quantity, any quantity that you want, I can supply for you. In case if you need it more for container, I can supply for you.
You distribute nationwide.
Yes, I distribute. Anytime you need it, you can call on me. My phone number. Thank you.
This one, how much is it? The wholesale price.
Okay, wholesale price of this Muslim is the last price is 15,000 naira by dozen. 15,000 by dozen. But if you want get it for the retail price, you can get it in our hand. Six in pack like this is the rate of 8,000 naira. Like this for pack. Like this 8,000 naira by 6. But say if you want get it for by dozen is 15,000 naira. By dozen, that is 12 pieces. Like this, I hold it in the hand, 2 pack. That is dozen. Thank you. More and more, they still have for children. This is the children. This one is the children.
For boys.
This one is for girl. We have no. This one is for boys. We have it boys and girls.
Okay.
In case if you need it, quantity price, we sell it the rate of 9,000 naira by dozen. We still sell all sizes. Like these children will have from age 6 months. We have from 6 months to reach for the age of 15. That's where the size sold for children. Thank you. In case if you need it, the dozen price 9,000 naira. Thank you.
Okay, sir, do you import these goods or you buy from within?
No, I bought it by Turkey.
Okay.
I bought it by my hand in Turkey, in this company, Muslim company. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, sir. At this juncture, I would like you to tell our viewers your phone number and your address if they would like to contact you to patronize you.
Okay, my phone number.
Your
Okay,
WhatsApp.
okay, my phone number is 080 3872 1701. You can contact me with this number. You can WhatsApp me with this number. That's my hottest line. In case if you want to buy more like pants, bra, a solid quality, like something like this, chat with me. If you look at this bra very well, if you look this one, in case if you need more the pictures, I can send for you for your WhatsApp. You can pick the design you want. This one is a UK brand, direct UK. Now this all these ones, as you can see it's a padded bra.
Wow.
Its quality is US. This one again is US. It's a net bra, a solid bra.
What are the prices?
Okay, this one, the prices of this one is 10,500.
Okay.
That is the wholesale price. But this one is 7,000 naira by dozen price.
Okay.
Anytime you need it, it's available. But with all those ones I showed, there's a many bra. There's again many prices. We have the one that not have padded. We have bra like 30, 40,000 and 120,000. It depends on your choice. It depends the one they want.
Kindly give us your address, your contact address.
Okay, my contact address. I stay in Trash Fair, inside the Trash Fair Balogu Market. Inside the Balogu Market, you can come inside the Balogu Market and ask them about Kogi cluster. The cluster name is a Kogi cluster for US 006 Kogi cluster. Don't forget about that.
All right.
To come and pick your choice.
Don't forget about
Don't forget about that.
All
we
right.
still have talking anywhere that again you never see. If you come, you see more.
Oh. He has a lot. My camera cannot show you everything, but don't worry, when you come you are going to have a sight to behold. Thank you so much, sir, once again.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.